Hey guys, welcome back, and this is part 2 of the dressing making video. If you missed part 1, the link will pop up above somewhere, or just wait till this one is over and go down below. We left off in part 1 with putting the cornbread into the oven to get it ready, and now for part 2 we're going to start processing our meat and our vegetables, and we do that by pulling the meat off of the bones. We're using turkey meat for this dressing. You can use chicken, you can do seafood if you like, or you can do no meat. It's really up to you which one you want to choose. And this time we're doing turkey. So we have turkey parts and turkey necks. And we start off by just getting all of the meat off of the bones, separating it out, making sure we don't have any gristle or anything in that, no sharp pieces. Remove all of that stuff and kind of get it ready. My mother actually cooked her turkey the night before, so that took away a little bit of time where we didn't have to wait for the turkey to be done. So now it's just, getting it all together. Once it's all taken off the bone, then it will be fine chopped. And here's another shot of the cornbread. We're checking on it. Everything is cooking okay. Still not done yet though. So we're going to get back to what we're doing, and we still have 2 cornbreads to go into the oven. So my aunt and my sister are hard at work on this meat. My aunt is here visiting from Texas, and we put her to work too because she's going to eat really good, so she might as well have some fun. While they're doing that, my mother is grabbing the scraps and the bones and stuff that we're going to give to our dogs. And we got 1 pan of cornbread done at this point. And so that one is out and another one goes in. So we're going to fast forward a minute. And the next time that my mother goes to check the cornbread, while my aunt and sister are still working on processing that meat, the cornbread will be done. It'll be ready to come out of the oven. Nice and simple, voila. Cornbread is done. My mother is pulling those out and just putting them on the stove, kind of breaking them apart so they can cool off. This is where everything gets fast at. That cornbread is coming out, and we're over here trying to get this meat ready. And then I'm going to be starting on the vegetables so that we can mix all of this together so that we can actually get to the process of making the dressing. Okay, so now I'm about to begin the process of breaking down or cutting up the vegetables. So what I do with the vegetables, guys, instead of all that hand chopping, is I throw it in my food processor and I cut it up. So this is not cut up small enough, and we want to get the water out of it. You see how the juice is out of it and the water from rinsing it. So I put it inside of my salad spinner. Once I get like this little chopper. I had 3 or 4 of these. I like this one the best. Oh, you know what? I can't tell you. Y'all find a chopper or whatever the way that you like, because this company is not paying me. That's not a sponsorship, and they're not paying me, so I can't tell you who they are. It's a chopper. They sell them everywhere for $10 to $15. Nobody special. But I will give one shout out. Hey, Black & Decker, I can use a little, 1%, 2%, something, 0 something. I'm trying to get monetized. Maybe y'all can just subscribe to my channel. Oh, I forgot to ask y'all to do that. While we talking, do me a favor. Go down and hit the like button and hit the subscribe and the notification bell, so you'll know when I'm doing another janky project. Now this is what cornbread is supposed to look like. Let me show y'all this. Oh my goodness. So now I'm moving on, y'all, to my green peppers. And there go my onions and celery. Here we go with the turkey. Look at the cornbread. A little bit more to go, and then we're going to get to the sauteing. This is green peppers, celery, and onions. And over here, let's switch over here to this side, is the pot that's getting ready. We have a little bit of grapeseed oil in here. That's something new that my mama does. She said that it keeps her from burning up her butter. But I ain't never seen her burn no butter up. Yep, that is a whole stick of butter. Now this is salted butter.
I don't buy unsalted butter, even for baking dish say you. I don't buy unsalted butter. I just don't.
Unsalted butter is so for what?
So now it is time to saute these vegetables, y'all. So what we're gonna do is just add them into this pot of butter that we had over here melt. We're gonna get this a real good mixture and just cook it down. Some of these big pieces we can leave in there. You can look at it like a prize or a raffle or something. If you get the big piece of side onion, you're gonna be lucky throughout the year. But your little slice of dressing is gonna taste better than the rest of the dressing. I don't know. I'm gonna quit stirring that because I don't want it to get mushy. I'm gonna give it a minute and let it do what it's doing. It's time to put all of this together, y'all, and actually make dressing. So click on that link and follow me over to part 3, where we put everything together, everything from videos 1 and 2. If you haven't seen those links will appear and be linked in the bottom. Thanks again for watching Fran at Officially Fran's, and see you for part 3.